This is a treadmill which is used in industrial engineering for the purpose of finding out what is the amount of work to be done, what is the amount of work to be done by a worker. The main aim of this experiment is to find out the physiological expenditure of a particular worker. So here the ergonomics theory about this is how the reflexes to act for a particular worker. So there will be complex jobs, there will be jobs which are easy jobs require small amount of allowances, complex jobs require more number of allowances. The main aim of this experiment is to see that, so there will be so many jobs for a worker. So walking down to the storeroom, getting back to the storeroom, and much of it will be on manual. So here, to find out what is the amount of rest required for a particular worker. So we know the standard, so here this experiment is to find out what is the standard time. So standard time is nothing but basic time plus allowances. Suppose a worker does some work, what is the amount of work, rest required for him to perform a particular type of job. So the main aim of this experiment is to find out what is the percentage of rest pauses. He does some work on a treadmill and how much time, that is how much time is required to bring back the worker to its normal. So from the physiological. So if it does work, there is expenditure of energy. So this energy, so the heartbeat will increase. So in order to bring back the worker to his normal state of affairs, this experiment will be conducted. So the main aim of this experiment is to find out what is the percentage of allowance required for a worker to come back to his normal sequence. So a treadmill is required, stethoscope is required. So what we do in this experiment is we find out. So after working for about 10 minutes, we ask the worker to walk on this. So here we can change the speed. So 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, whatever it is. So conveyor will be allowed to speed up to 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers or even 15 kilometers. So then we will be asked to walk on this conveyor belt for about 10 minutes. So immediately they will be asked to take rest. So every minute his heartbeat will be taken into account. So after 10 minutes, the first minute will be, his heartbeat will be very high. After 1 minute, it comes down necessarily. So likewise, in steps of 1 minute, the heartbeat will be taken into account until he comes back to his normal heartbeat.
The procedure for conducting the experiment is, first the worker is allowed to take rest for 5 minutes and then his heartbeat is being checked. Once it gets normal, he is being allowed to walk on a treadmill. For the first, in the treadmill, first for a plane without inclinations, the worker is being allowed and checked for the 0% zero inclination. First the worker has been allowed to walk on the treadmill for 0 inclination and then for 10 minutes and then he is being checked for the heartbeat. So obviously the heartbeat gets increased due to walking on the treadmill. Then he is being allowed to take a rest. Every 5 minutes his heartbeat is being checked until it gets normal. Then the inclination is being given to the treadmill. Why the inclinations are 0 level and next level of inclinations is being done as the intensity of the checking for an increase in the intensities of the work that a worker takes, worker undergoes. And every time checking for 2-3 trials is being taken and worker is being checked for the heartbeat, what time he takes to get into the normal heartbeat. So that is how time is being taken, what time that worker requires to get back to the normal heartbeat. Now, when we check the heartbeat of the worker, it is coming up to 78 per minute. So, it is little bit above the normal. Fine, and now he is being allowed to run on, like walk on a treadmill for a 0 level without any inclinations for 5 minutes.
The worker is allowed to walk for a minimum of 10 minutes on this treadmill, right? And most importantly, he has to wear sports shoes because of the deterioration of the canvas bed. So he has to wear canvas shoes. And
the worker walks for the 10 minutes over the 0 level on a treadmill. Now we are checking the heartbeat of a worker. Where we are getting around 150 per minute. The heartbeat is being increased. Similarly, the trial is being done for 3 to 4 trials are being done, and the time, what time a worker takes to get back to the normal. Once he runs on the treadmill, he is being allowed to sit, and we are checking the heartbeat. And every minute, every 1 minute of an interval, the heartbeat of the worker is being checked. What time he takes to get back to the normal heartbeat. So every time around, like he has taken around 5 minutes to get back to the normal heartbeat of a 72 per minute. So the kind of a work he executed, that is been running on a treadmill for a 10 minutes or a 0 level inclinations, it requires 5 minutes to get back to the normal heartbeat. While conducting the experiment, coming to the tabulation part, so 2 columns are being recorded here. One is a time in minutes and one is a heartbeat. Time in a minutes shows that in a frequency of taking a heartbeat of a worker once he runs on the treadmill, and the heartbeat is for a respective minutes which are the reading being taken of a particular worker, what its heartbeat showing at the first minute, second minute, third minute. So this is a tabulation. This experiment is for a inclination 0, where we have not inclined the treadmill to any inclinations on a flat. The flat 0 inclinations once the workers runs for 10 minutes and made to sit, and every minute is being recorded for the what is the heartbeat of the workers. So if you see here for a first trial, it is 130, 2 is 120, like that. So once we collect the data, we need to check what is the time required for a worker to come back to the normal pace. So here if you see, two graphs are being drawn. One is for a flat surface, that is for a 0 inclinations, and once the like treadmill is being inclined to certain angle for a 5 degree or like whatever the requirement is being given. So like doing an observation on a graph, you can see that. So this is a maximum heartbeat that has been gone when once the worker is being tested for the immediately after getting back from the treadmill. So here what is the time that is being taken? The time is being plotted on an x-axis and heartbeat on an y-axis. Looking into this graph, you can see that this is what a time that requires for a normal, like for a worker to get back, to recover back the fatigue that get generated, or to get back to the normal heartbeat. So coming over here in an inclined also, you can see this is what a maximum heartbeat that has gone once is being checked immediately after the getting back from the treadmill. So this is what a time slot, time from here to here is a time that is required for him to get back to the normal pace of the heartbeat.